Hi everyone. Welcome back to Model Behavior by Box, where we test the latest AI models on enterprise data. My name is Siddharth. I'm a product manager here at Box, and today we're testing Gemini 3 Pro, Google Gemini's latest AI model. We ran a ton of evaluations here at Box, and we've seen that Gemini 3 Pro is a clear step up from its predecessor. Particularly, we saw improvements in three domains: financial services, life sciences, and media and entertainment. And we thought the best way to illustrate that was by looking at a financial document for life sciences. So what we're looking at here is a Form 10K for a biotech company. I've put together a series of questions that are really hard for any AI model. The questions involve going in this 181-page document, finding the P&L, carrying out a vertical analysis on that P&L, identifying the total amounts of fixed costs, identifying the percentage of sales as the fixed costs, and then calculating the total projected negative cash flow for the next year with a 20% safety buffer. So I'm going to go ahead and send this question in. The reason why it's so tough for Gemini 3 Pro is because of the massive amount of document context here. So enterprises really need the ability to take a ton of unstructured data, extract the key pieces of information, manipulate that information, and then even extrapolate across that information, extrapolate from that information new insights. What's also interesting about this question is we're asking about fixed costs. This is a biotech annual filing. And so what Gemini 3 Pro has to do is reason what constitutes a fixed cost for something in the biotech space. I mean, what are the R&D fixed costs that are not variable with how much product this company is selling? And so it's not just a simple extraction question, but actually something that takes multi-step reasoning. We can see Gemini 3 Pro here spitting back an answer, going through super quick, and there we have it. If we take a look at this answer, we can see here how it was able to extract all the line items for 2025, 2024, 2023, and give that vertical analysis, those percentages across all these different buckets. It gives the fixed cost, reasoning over what it determines to be a fixed cost based on this 10K, and then splits them out, gives the percentages, and finally gives a projected negative cash flow based on certain assumptions that it's making. And so Gemini 3 Pro is honestly a game changer for enterprises. The ability to take a ton of context, actually extract, and then reason on top of it in a multi-step progression way is really important. So just excited to see what else Google Gemini is going to put out. Until next time.